You don't need to buy a new car to make your car feel premium. Sometimes the right upgrades, the right details, completely change how your car looks, feels, and drives. Today on Wheel Vista, I'm showing you the coolest car gadgets that instantly upgrade your car's interior, tech, and security. Smart accessories that bring comfort, style, and modern functionality without replacing your vehicle. Let's start with something you touch every single day. Ouzorp Microfiber leather steering wheel cover. A worn or plain steering wheel can quietly make your interior feel basic. This cover upgrades that instantly. It's crafted with high-quality microfiber leather, finished with meticulous stitching and reinforced seams for durability. The black streamlined design gives your interior a clean, premium look without being flashy. It fits standard steering wheels between 14.5 to 15 inches, giving a snug, glove-like fit when installed correctly. On the inside, it features a rubber anti-slip lining, improving grip and stability while protecting your original steering wheel from sun damage, heat, scratches, and daily wear. It also helps reduce the discomfort of sweaty hands, giving you a more secure and comfortable driving feel. Installation is simple. Warm it slightly, stretch it over the wheel, and adjust for a tight fit. It's one of those upgrades that makes your car feel better every time you drive. Interior RGB LED strip lights with wireless app and remote control. Luxury cars are known for ambient lighting, soft custom interior glow that changes the mood of the cabin. This kit gives you that same effect with 16 million color options, app control, remote control, and 29 preset modes. You can adjust brightness, color themes, and effects easily. The fiber optic design is pre-installed with LEDs, creating brighter and cleaner lighting without exposed wiring. It even includes sound-activated music mode, allowing the lighting to sync with your music. It's USB powered, flexible, and can be installed by inserting the fiber into interior gaps. The result? A modern, high-end atmosphere every time you drive at night. Jemluse wireless CarPlay adapter. If your car has wired CarPlay, plugging in every time can feel outdated. This adapter converts your wired CarPlay system into wireless, giving you automatic connection and seamless operation. Powered by a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth 5.3, it delivers faster transmission speeds and smooth performance for navigation, calls, music, and Siri. It's built with a durable alloy casing and plug-and-play functionality. No mounting required. Just plug it in once and your phone connects automatically when you start the car. This is one of those upgrades that makes your car feel instantly more modern. Digital GPS heads-up display for cars. Looking down at your dashboard to check speed brakes focus. This HUD projects your real-time speed directly onto your windshield, keeping your eyes forward. It uses dual GPS and BDS technology with a high refresh rate, connecting to up to 32 satellites for accurate tracking. Brightness adjusts automatically for day and night, ensuring visibility without glare. It's USB powered and plug and play, no OBD port required. The large font display makes it easy to read even while wearing sunglasses. This is the kind of feature usually found in higher end vehicles, now added to yours. IIWEY N5 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. Premium cars often include advanced camera systems, but you can add your own. This dashcam records front, rear, interior, and side views in full HD, giving 360-degree coverage. It includes a 3-inch IPS screen, wide-angle lenses, and a pre-installed 128GB SD card. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to connect through the app for video preview, download, and sharing. The G sensor detects impacts and locks emergency footage to prevent overwriting. It also supports parking mode for added protection when the vehicle is stationary. This isn't just a camera, it's peace of mind with professional level coverage. Jump N-Carry 1700 peak amp jump starter. Nothing feels more premium than being fully prepared. This jump starter delivers 1700 peak amps, powered by a 22 ampere hour Claw Pro Forma battery designed specifically for jump starting. It features 46-inch heavy-duty cables and industrial-grade clamps for reliable connections. The heavy-duty case withstands shop environments, and the built-in voltmeter lets you check battery status instantly. There's also a 12-volt power outlet to run accessories and a built-in charger for convenience. Trusted for over 25 years by professionals, this is serious equipment, not a lightweight gadget. Tevlaphee heavy-duty steering wheel lock. Security adds confidence, and confidence feels premium. This anti-theft device uses a double protection design with twin bars and 4 locking hooks for firm attachment. Made from high-grade steel with a pure copper lock core, it's built to resist forced entry. The bright yellow finish acts as a strong visual deterrent, making it clear your car is protected. It fits most vehicles and installs in seconds. It's simple, but strong. AstroAI portable tire inflator. Driving a premium car means maintaining it properly, especially tire pressure. This compact 12-volt air compressor plugs into your cigarette lighter and features programmable inflation with automatic shutoff. Preset your desired pressure and it stops once reached. It includes a digital display, LED light for nighttime use, and a 9.8-foot power cord. Built with tough ultra technology, core components are engineered for enhanced durability, compact enough to store easily, powerful enough to rely on. Sparkling diamond car kick mats. Sometimes premium is about personality. These seatback protectors combine function and style with rhinestone detailing. They protect against dirt, mud, and footprints while adding a unique decorative touch. Made with non-slip backing and easy installation, they protect your interior without tools. Small detail, big statement. LEDCARE USB star projector nightlight. If you want something different, this is it. This USB-powered projector creates a starry roof effect inside your car. The flexible head allows direction adjustment, and rotating the lens changes projection patterns. Compact and portable, it plugs directly into any USB port. It's subtle, atmospheric, and surprisingly calming during night drives. Those are some of the coolest car gadgets that can make your car feel premium without replacing it. From steering feel and lighting to tech upgrades and security, small changes can completely shift your driving experience. Now I want to know, which one would you actually add to your car? Let me know in the comments. This is Vista. Subscribe for more smart car upgrades, and I'll see you in the next one.